What's up, guys? I'm Eric Lee and you're watching 31 and Counting. And if you're new to this channel, what we like to do is unboxing and product reviews, and today is no different. Check it out. So today we're going to be doing, well, we're not doing an unboxing, and I'll tell you why. The product that we're going to be looking at today is going to be ZOA, and if you've never heard of it, that's cool, but if you have, you know that it's a product made by, that's my dog in the background, it's a product that's made or really sponsored by The Rock. Yeah, Dwayne The Rock Johnson. He put this behind his name and we checked it out. So in this video, I'm going to give you some of the gripes I had to ordering this product and what I really thought about it.
All right, why and how is ZOA the first of its kind in terms of a clean and healthy energy drink? So, ZOA is the world's first energy drink that will have 100% vitamin C, 100% vitamin B complex. ZOA energy drink is the first energy drink in the marketplace to offer the powerful vitamin D. And on top of all that, we are loaded with antioxidants. We are loaded with branched chain amino acids. We are potassium, magnesium, choline. We are loaded with camu. We are just loaded across the board.
So first off, for reference point, I've had this is like my last one out of a case of 12. Yeah, you heard it, a case of 12, and they were all the same flavor. That is the biggest gripe that I have with the product, is that you don't get a variety pack option. And I tried to order it on the website, the ZOA website, but they didn't accept PayPal. And normally I buy all my stuff using PayPal because that's where I get paid through YouTube. So I use that money and put it right back into my channel. So since I couldn't use PayPal, I just went on Amazon because I knew I would get the shipping really quick and very convenient. But still, I didn't have an option for a variety pack. So I ended up ordering sugar-free wild orange. And okay, I've given a few of these away. And the main response that I got was it tastes off. And I think my experience, the way I would describe this drink is as if it's two different drinks. I would say that, okay, I got a carbonated orange drink, and then it's like, I don't know, Minute Maid orange juice or pineapple juice is added to it. My wife described it as the juice from like those fruit cups mixed into a carbonated drink. So it just tastes a little off, and I don't know if it's just because this flavor, because I ordered the sugar-free version. I don't know, but since I had to buy it a case at a time for quite a bit of money, you can check it out on Amazon. I'll put a link down below. But it is not very cheap for you to buy 12 of something that you may not like. Now, if it was at the store, you know, I could just buy one and try it and figure out which one I like the best, and then I can see the bulk thing working, but it didn't work. So this is my 12th one. I'm gonna crack it open and I'm gonna give you my last thoughts about how this tastes. So first, it just smells sweet, and it doesn't smell like soda or some artificial drink. It mostly tastes like, or smells like a fruit juice, but it is carbonated, and it just tastes like two different drinks. And like I said, I don't know if it's a sugar substitute that they add. If I just ordered the wrong one, I probably should have ordered the original. But it's not horrible. I mean, it's just, I don't know. I just taste more pineapple juice than I do orange juice, and the orange flavor, I mean. So, I don't know. It could be me. If you have different thoughts, or if you try other flavors, just let me know. But like I said, this is going to be a quick video. I can't recommend you buying this right now. But if you can get more than one and you don't have to buy 12 of the same kind at a time, I think it's worth trying. But that's gonna be it for this video. Short and sweet. If you have any comments down below or any of your products that you want me to check out, let me know. I'm Eric Lee. You're watching 31 and Counting. We out.